a steep drop here to the left. Where are we headed, baby?
To the dirt.
To the dirt. Taking the boy to the dirt.
Oh no. We just hope he doesn't get sick.
Yeah.
I think he'll be good though. He's just chewing his bone.
He's already sick enough.
Yeah.
So go hit that secret spot a couple times.
Who?
See how Ozzy does.
Are you gonna tell anybody where that secret spot is?
No. Keep it wild. If you want to find the secret spot, you got to come with the road less traveled.
Or if you do find it,
keep it a secret.
Keep it a secret, yeah.
Time to get gnarly.
Oh boy.
This steep drop here to the left. This is actually a little sketchy right now.
Oh my gosh, we're close. Woo! Not too bad.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad. It was a little bit washed out compared to last time. Oh. I'm gonna go in 4-wheel drive.
Ozzy's not even phased by it. He's just chilling.
He's a farm boy.
He's like, oh, I'm just going off-roading. Oi! Nothing. It's like, this is normal.
He loves it.
You're a natural.
That's our boy.
No crying. Just chilling.
Yeah, it cries on the roads, but not out here.
Not on the trails.
Hilarious. He's a good trail dog.
Our boy.
That's our boy. Our big boy. Alright, now we hit the jump. Full speed. Send it.
Send it. Oh.
Alright, Ozzy, hold on.
Here we go. Oh. Oh. Did that scare you? No. He's
No
just
way. He's
chilling.
good. Hold on.
Oh my gosh.
Going down. Goodness. All kinds of
Ozzy
feelings.
just doesn't care. What do you think, buddy?
He's like, this is
Oh, no, no, no. You
Piece
don't
of
need to
cake.
cry. He likes it.
This is the crazy one. This is the one that bumps. Bucks.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Wow. We just like play, I guess.
All right, here we go. Here's the crazy one.
Hold on, Ozzy.
Piece of cake.
Nice. Your car's made for it. Or sorry, your truck. Your truck's made for it. You gotta take you back out on the boat sometime, buddy.
Yeah, we'll get it soon. All right, so we're gonna go up this one, go around, and then we'll maybe do some pictures.
Oh gosh. This one's. Have you done this one?
Yeah.
Oh. Why do these look so much bigger?
So much steeper than they were last time? It could be. Oh, we already have that.
What should I do with you?
You just look around because it's crazy out here.
Oh, what do you think, Ozzy? You're right.
He doesn't even care.
He's just sitting there like,
dude, you're so good. Unreal.
Oh, that's good he's back there.
Our boy is so good.
Yeah.
So that was some of our secret trails out here at our secret spot. If you know where we're at, don't put it in the comments. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share it to friends, and remember, to the dirt.
Yeah. To the dirt.